a zoo?
It's a giant pet supermarket, Arrow. Let's go in.
Wow, so many animals. I need to write this down.
I got the cart. It's huge and empty.
Our mission today? Buy one big bag of dog food for our neighbor. Just dog food.
Dog food first, little explorer. Then we can look. Let's go.
Atlas, the dog food is that way. You are going the wrong way.
Oops. My bad. Follow me, team.
Dad always gets lost. Okay, let's find the blue light. Whoa! Look at the yellowfish! It's so beautiful! Mom, their eyes are open. Do fish ever sleep?
Yes, they sleep. But fish don't have eyelids. They sleep with eyes open.
No eyelids. That is so cool! Look how fast they swim!
Hey, where is the fish in this tank? It's empty.
It's hiding in the rocks, honey. See?
Oh, got it. He is a good hider. Very smart.
Look at that big green rock! It's so round!
Look closer, sweetie. Does a rock have legs?
Whoa! It's moving! It has a head! It's a turtle! A green turtle. Wow, it is very slow. So slow.
He takes his time. Not in a hurry. I like this guy.
Mom, why does he have a hard box on his back?
That is his shell. When he is scared, he can hide inside his shell to stay safe.
Oh, like a little house.
He hides in his house.
I wish I had a shell. I could hide when I forget to wash the dishes.
Very funny, Atlas. But you still have to wash them.
What is that sound? It's so loud. Wow. The map says bird zone. Let's go see the birds.
Okay, team. Follow the loud music. Here we go.
Look at all the colors. Red, yellow, and green. Look at the big red bird. It has big wings. It can fly so high.
Yes. That is a parrot. Parrots are very smart birds.
They sing so loudly. It is a loud party.
The air is a little dry in here.
Dad, the big white bird is coughing like you.
Parrots are very smart. They can listen and copy the sounds we make. Try saying, "Hello, Scout."
Hello, pretty bird. Hello. Hello.
Okay, moving on. Before it copies my credit card number.
Mom, look. The little mouse mouse is running so fast, but he is not moving.
Oh, that's because... I'm St. Paul then. Hello there.
Hi, I'm Ben. They are hamsters, not mice. And they love to run. That is a hamster wheel. They have lots of energy. The wheel helps them run and stay healthy.
A wheel. Like running in circles. Hamster wheel. Got it.
Ooh. Now these guys are my heroes. Look at them.
They are sleeping in a big pile. So lazy.
Eat, sleep, and do nothing. That is the dream, honey.
They sleep all day and eat seeds all night, like these.
You eat seeds too. Are you a giant hamster, Ben?
Maybe I am. Enjoy the store, little explorer.
Okay, hamsters. We still need to find the big dog food.
There is nothing here. Just brown branches and green leaves.
Look closer. There is a lizard in there. A chameleon.
A chameleon? But what color is it? Green or brown?
It is a very smart lizard. It can change its color to hide in the leaves. It is a master of hiding.
I see an eye. The green leaf has an eye. Oh, it is green now. It hides so well. Clever lizard.
Kids, come here. I found the best animal in the store.
What is it, Dad? A giant snake? A dinosaur?
Better. It is a completely clear frog. It is invisible.
Invisible? I don't see anything, Dad. Just sand.
Atlas, read the sign. It says, "This tank is empty for cleaning. There is no invisible frog."
Empty? Wait, what? Let me see that sign.
Dad was looking at an empty box. So funny.
Well, the glass is very clean. Good job, store.
Okay, invisible frog hunter. Let's keep moving. Wait a minute. We looked at all the animals. But where is the dog food? We are completely lost.
Don't worry. I have the map. I know exactly where we are.
Dad, the map is upside down. The letters are wrong.
Yes. I was just testing you, Scout. Very good.
Look! Over there! It's the giant hamster!
Hello again? Are you looking for more animals?
We are completely lost, Ben. We need to find the big dog food.
No problem. Go straight down this aisle, then turn left at the green sign. It is aisle 7.
Straight. Then turn left. Aisle 7.
Got it. Thank you.
Good luck with the big bag. See you.
Okay, straight and turn left. We are almost there.
Whoa! Look at the size of these bags. They are huge.
This bag is taller than me. It is a monster bag.
Stand back, team. I am going to lift the heavy bag.
Wait, listen. Did you hear that? Squeak, squeak. Is there a real mouse under the shelf?
No, Arrow. Look at what Scout found. It is a red rubber bone. It makes a funny sound when you squeeze it. Yes, it is a squeaky toy. Dogs like to bite it because it is very soft. It sounds like a little animal.
Oh, bite the soft toy. Squeak, squeak. That is very funny.
I think the neighbor's dog only likes to eat. Let's keep moving, team. Whoa! Look at that ball. It is rolling by itself. Magic.
Mom, why does the ball move? It has no legs at all.
It is an automatic toy. It has a battery inside. It rolls on the floor fast so cats can chase it.
Roll. Battery. Chase. Very clever toy.
A cat can chase it? Let me catch it first. Watch this.
Okay, the ball is much smarter than me. I give up.
You are too slow for a cat toy, honey. Good try.
Look at this long feather. It is so soft and beautiful. Mom, can we buy a toy for ourselves? Please?
We don't have a dog, Arrow. Next stop, the checkout. Let's go pay.
Mom, look! That fluffy dog is in a windstorm!
No, Arrow. It is not a storm. He is getting dry.
Getting dry? So he was wet and dirty before?
Yes. The groomer washes him with water and soap, then uses the dryer. Now his fur is clean and soft.
Wash, dry, clean fur. He looks like a white cloud now.
I need that big dryer. My hair takes only 2 seconds to dry.
You don't have fluffy fur, Atlas. Let's go pay.
Finally, the checkout line. We are almost done, team.
Whoa! Look down! Another giant! It is a real dog! A very big golden retriever! So cute! Can I touch him? He looks so friendly and soft.
Wait. You must always ask the owner first. That is polite. Say, "May I pet your dog?"
Ask first. Safe and polite. Good rule, Mom. Excuse me, sir. May I pet your dog?
Yes, of course. He is very gentle. His name is Buddy.
Thank you. Hi, Buddy. You are a good boy.
He remembered to ask. I am a proud dad today.
Me too. Now, let's pay for this giant food.
My turn again. The final lift. Man against the giant bag.
You are the champion, Atlas. Lift the heavy bag to the counter. 1,
2,
3!
up it goes. So heavy.
Wow! That is a mountain of food! Do you have a pet dinosaur at home?
Oh, we don't have a dinosaur. It is for a very big dog.
Okay, let me scan the barcode to check the price. The barcode is the black and white lines. The machine reads it to know how much money we need to pay.
Scan the barcode. Check the price. Pay the money. Got it.
That will be $50, please. Will you pay with cash or card? Card, please. Here you go. Here is your receipt. Thank you and have a great day.
Wait. I have to put this giant bag back into the cart? My back is crying. I need a long sleep.
Dad is so tired. He needs a giant hamster wheel to run and get energy.
No more running, Arrow. Only sleeping. Like a lazy cat.
Fresh air. We made it, team. Mission complete.
And we learned so many animal words today. What an adventure!
We made it to the car. The final boss battle is here.
From the cart into the trunk, Atlas. You can do it.
1, 2, 3. In the trunk. I am a superhero.
Yay! Super Dad! The monster bag is in the car!
Thank you, team. Now, let's sit down. My legs are jelly.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.